Good morning, everybody. So listen, here's the deal. My cousin Christus, who's like a sister to me, is not a Disney World pass holder. So therefore, she doesn't get to go as often as Brittany or I, and I feel bad. So we got her a one-day ticket to Disney World, had her stay with us last night, and she has no idea where she's going. Other than maybe one or two hints that we've dropped that she's going to SeaWorld, but she's definitely going to Disney. Let's go wake her up. Let's go get to it. Hey. Get up, we're going somewhere cool.
So, Christus.
We're not going to SeaWorld.
Where do you think we're going?
Disney! Wait, what park?
What
you
park
choose.
do you want to go?
One park.
Which one has good rides?
All of
Best
them.
rides?
All
A lot
of
of
them.
rides.
All of them.
Does Epcot have a lot of rides?
No.
Epcot's got a lot of food.
Which one has a lot of rides?
Magic Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom.
That's where you want to go? We're going to Magic Kingdom.
You heard them, folks. Magic Kingdom. First stop, naturally, is some breakfast.
Mickey waffle!
Yeah, what's a better breakfast than a Mickey waffle?
Nothing.
Honestly.
Mickey waffle.
Exactly. Dang, she already in with this.
Ready for some magic?
Satisfying?
Woo! Yeah!
Go ahead, Kristen.
Dig in. Greatest waffles in the world. All right, Christus's choice. Where are we headed?
Laugh
Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor.
And then we have fast passes from Pirates of the Caribbean at 12.
All right.
I am Monster of Ceremonies, me, Mike Wazowski! Hello, humans! Oh, come on, you can do better than that! Hello, humans! To promote the one responsible. Yeah, what's my new title? Not you, Wazowski, that guy! Give him a big hand!
Here we are on our way to Pirates of the Caribbean, walking through Adventureland, and the camel's back. Thank goodness.
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Bring me
Yo ho, pirate's life for me. Is there ever a time that that ride is not fun? So as delicious as Mickey waffles are, I didn't really fill us up. So we stopped by Pico's Bill, and I got a Southwest salad with all the fixings. Christus got the taco trio, and Brittany got the beef nachos.
The go-go food.
Because she got the kids meal. Our next ride is the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Train and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Let's go. Front row troubles be like. Hey. Christus got her first citrus swirl, and what is it? How do you feel about it?
It's bomb.
Straight up, hashtag bomb. Well, Magic Kingdom certainly has been fun.
Yes.
But that's not the end of our vlog. No, no. Because we took the plunge, we got her very first annual pass, and we headed on over here to Epcot.
Oh my god, no.
Take a sip. Yeah, it's awesome. Go for it. No, take a sip. Yeah, it's the best, isn't it? It's awesome. I've got multiple people that are like,